Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Roblox gift card step by step. So watch our video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can redeem it. And if you get confused and like your code gets used and you don't receive the thing which was in the code, then your gift card might go to waste. Alright, so watch this video carefully to avoid doing anything wrong. And if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on with today's video. First step, you want to go to your search engine or your browser and you want to search for roblox.com. Once you go to roblox.com, it's going to ask you to log in into your account, but I have already logged in into my account. That's why it's taking me to this place. And if you guys don't know how to log in into a Roblox account, we have made a video on how you guys can log in into Roblox account. You can watch our video on our channel One to Step as well. All right. Once you watch that video, you will understand how to log in. Once you're over here, you need to click on this tree line at the top left corner of your screen, and these things will pop up. Once this messages and all this thing pops up, at the bottom you're going to see gift cards. You want to click on gift cards. Once you click on gift cards, it's going to take you to the gift card section. Now once you're over here at the side, you can see the redeem code option. You can click on it, and if you want to buy some gift cards, you can click on shop gift cards to buy it. All right, to redeem it, click on redeem card, and it's going to take you to your gift card redeeming page. Over here, you need to enter the code which is on your gift card, which means your gift card is going to have like a bunch of numbers, alphabet over here, and you have to enter that alphabet numbers given to you in that exact order. All right, so enter it over here and click on redeem. If the code you entered is correct, then basically your gift card will be redeemed, and whichever thing was on that gift card, whether it's a Robux or like a new character, it's going to be on your account. Now whichever account you're currently logged into, that account is going to receive this code. All right, so just keep that in mind. So hope you guys understand on how you guys can redeem your Roblox gift card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.